Good afternoon, friends. This is Subhash Jat from Nationalist Congress Party. I wanted to ask a couple of questions to state and center government in regards to the migrant labor as well as to Railway Ministry, Mr. Piyush Goyal. Now, since 3 to 4 days, there is a lot of news which is coming in national media that Mr. Piyush Goyal is saying that we are able to arrange 147 train in Maharashtra on the day when there was a lockdown announced on 21st March to 21st March 2020, if you would have arranged your trains in place for 7 days, in total there are 19,000 trains are available with Indian Railways with the capacity of 1 crore 70 lakh people. You can move from one location to another location within India. So if you would have taken the necessary step at that time, there should not be any kiosk. Secondly, now you are saying one state government is saying, okay, we are not permitting, another state government is saying, okay, we are not able to arrange. Now these are not the issues which is created by the state government. These are the issues which is created by central government, because lockdown was announced by Bharatiya Janata Party and by Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi ji. Then this is the responsibility of Prime Minister of India to come on national TV, give a press conference. I have seen the only leader in the world who has not done a press conference since last 6.5 years. Even in this critical situation, if he is not liable or if he is not in a position to give answer to the people, then I think there has to be correction. There has to be, this is a time where people should wake up. They should understand that people do make mistake. I think as a India, a lot of people have made the mistake, and it's a time for change. Now, there have been a lot of packages which is announced by BJP government, particularly Nirmala Sitharaman ji, okay, being a finance minister, she was also given a position of defense minister. I want to ask a simple question. Now, if you are saying when you are given a package of 20 lakh crore, and out of that, on the differentiation, when you have differentiated, you are saying that there was already 8 lakh crore which was being given by RBI in previous. So by default, it is not 20 lakh crore. Secondly, what you are announcing, the immediate need of the hour, that fund should be given to the people. Either it might be a migrant labor, either it might be a farmer, or either it might be a MSME segment. And if the liquidity is not poured, and only if you put it on paper, and when I was going through this press meeting of last of 5 days announcement, on the screen it was never mentioned that this package is by Government of India. On the screen it was mentioned that this package is by Prime Minister Modi. Is it a personal package? It's not a personal package. If it is by Government of India, then the heading should be package, a relief COVID package by Prime Minister of India, Government of India. So these are the questions which people are asking. People are being patient since last 70 days. You asked people for Ghanti Bajao, you asked people Diya Bajao. Till date, हमारे घर पे आज भी दिए जल रहे हैं. Corona is still there. Plus, if you are in leadership, when you do something good, your team and BJP people and BJP leaders, starting from a BJP worker till the top office, they want to take the credit. Then if there is a disaster, then why don't you take the credit that you are responsible in a way, and you are responsible to take and do the necessary requirement so that this pandemic can be controlled. And if you cannot control, then you should be with open heart. You should ask suggestion to the opposition party. You should ask suggestion to all the media, all the third parties, or any person who can give you a right suggestion to control and manage this pandemic. It should be appreciated. It should not be criticized. When Nirmala Sitharaman is saying Rahul Gandhi is meeting laborers on the street, he is wasting time. He is doing a Photoshop. I want to ask a question to Sitharaman ji. When Mr. Prime Minister requesting for Dalit or people from Dalit community, inviting him and washing their feet with water and wiping it with their gamcha. What was it? Don't make people fool. Now, India, it's a time to wake up. It's a time for change. If we do not take our responsibility, then it would be a serious situation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Plus, also, one more point I want to add to the media channel. Particularly, I'll put a name: Mr. Sudhir Chaudhary, Mr. Arnab Goswami, Mr. Rajat Sharma, Mr. Amish Devgan. Okay. Be human. Be Indian citizen first. You are a responsible person. You have a platform. Utilize it in a right way. If something is getting wrong or if something is getting done wrong, you are the person who should criticize it. If you are ready to appreciate, then you should also be ready to criticize it. You are the channel to make people do a correction wherever it is required, either an individual, either a company, or either a state government or a center government. So take care of your social responsibilities and lift above being a partial. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.